your class to learn and grow, but what has touched me the most is the love you have shown. Good morning, respected teachers. On the behalf of all the students of AES Prasad Nagar, I, Tamanna, extend my warmest wishes. Happy Teachers' Day. This year, due to COVID pandemic, we all are confined in our homes and are not able to celebrate this day in the school premises. So we, the students of class 10th, have taken the initiative and have prepared a presentation showcasing the latent talent of many of us. Hope you will like our efforts. We start our presentation by the array of greeting cards prepared by the students of class 4th and 5th.
Good morning to all the respected teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to all. This year, due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are not able to celebrate Teachers' Day in the school. So we students of Andhra Education Society School are going to celebrating Teachers' Day on virtual platform. So on this occasion, I, Nikhil of class 10th A, would like to share my feelings. I would like to start addressing with a beautiful quote by Brett Henry. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Teachers' Day is celebrated all over the country as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. That is on the 5th of September every year. He was born in the year 1888. He was one of the most distinguished scholars of India. He completed his education at Madras Christian College in 1911. He became assistant professor and subsequently worked as a professor in different colleges. He was an Indian philosopher, academician and statesman. He has been awarded with the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, for his exemplary work in education. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan always believed that teachers should be the best minds in the world. When he was the president, some of his students approached him to allow them to celebrate his birthday, but he replied that instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be a very proud privilege for him if that day would be celebrated as Teachers' Day. Since 1962, his birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day on the 5th of September every year. Teachers' Day serves as a reminder to appreciate teachers for their contribution to the country. Thank you to all my wonderful teachers.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. A very happy good morning to our respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Yashvi, am wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Guru Vandana means reverence to the teachers. It's the thanksgiving by the students to their teachers expressing their gratitude. So let's welcome Divyanshi Pandey, who is going to perform a dance on Guru Vandana.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
to us of our school, G. Mapati Naidu sir, to kindly share his views on this occasion.
Good morning, dear colleagues. Happy Teachers' Day to all. On this special day, let's all remember the great scholar, teacher, philosopher and statesman Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday is observed as a Teachers' Day. Let's all pay our tributes to this great scholar. On this day, let's all reflect as teachers what has been done and what is yet to be done. There are challenges ahead for us, and these challenges can be easily overcome by updating our knowledge and skills. Let's all be proud to be teachers, proud of our profession. As we all know that the COVID-19 has brought miseries to all walks of life. And this COVID-19 is a crisis. A crisis is an opportunity to be innovative, to be creative. And we are now conducting online classes to all our students to stay connected with our students. Hope this crisis will end soon and we all come back to our school and see our students in the classroom and have a good time ahead. Stay safe. Wish you all again Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you one and all.
During this lockdown, the students of preschool have come up with their creativity and made such a beautiful and lovely hand-printed flowers for all our teachers with their cute little hands. So let us all appreciate them. So here, a couple of solo and cute dance performances are coming your way by the students of preschool.
इस कदम लेकर सिपाही पहली बार नन्हे से कदम लेकर सिपाही पहली बार थामी हमारी उंगली उसकी थे हमारा प्यार तब बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं. हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं. वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं. बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher.
Happy Teachers' Day. शरीरं सुरूपं तथाव कलत्रं यशश्चारुचित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततत्किं 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 कलत्रं धनं पुत्रपौत्रादि सर्वं गृहं बन्धवा सर्वमेधाधिजातं मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे गौरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततत् किं ततत् किं ततत् किं ततत् किं षणागादिवेदामुखे शास्त्रविद्या कवित्वादिगाद्यं सुपद्यं करोति मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततत् किं ततत् किं ततत् किं ततत् किं विदेशेषु मान्या स्वदेशेषु धन्या सदाचार्यवित्तेषु मत्तो न चान्या मनश्चेन लग्नं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपद्मे ततत् किं ततत् किं ततत् किं ततत् किम्.
A very good morning to respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Vrinda from class 8B. Today we are celebrating Teachers Day. This is a special day on which we can pay a hearty tribute to our teachers who are trying their best to make our future bright. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. This is the birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of India and a great teacher. The teachers play a big role in building the characters of the students. In this pandemic situation, teachers have organized online classes. They are making all the arrangements to teachers. These efforts are appreciating and they deserve a big salute. Teachers give us knowledge, believe us and help us to achieve our dreams. Thank you teachers for all your work and dedication. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम तमन्ना है। मैं कक्षा 10वीं अ की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष शिक्षक दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगी। शिक्षक है वह ज्ञान का दीपक जो हर लेता सारे अंधकार। जितना मर्जी हम उनको सताएं वह नहीं मानते हैं हम पर हार। अगर मैं आज कहती हूँ कि गुरु छवि है भगवान के जैसी, अगर मैं आज कहती हूँ कि गुरु छवि है भगवान के जैसी, दोनों एक समान ही तो हैं, तो इस बात में अतिशयोक्ति कैसी। माँ बाप ने हमको नाम दिया तो शिक्षक ने पहचान दी। एक ने उंगली छोड़ी नहीं थी कि दूजे ने आके थाम ली। ईश्वर की इस अनमोल कल्पना को मैंने कभी हारते नहीं देखा और शिक्षक के जैसा स्वार्थ रहित मैंने इंसान नहीं देखा। मुझे याद है हमारी छोटी छोटी कामयाबियाँ सुनकर खुशी से झूम जाते थे और राह भूल जाने पर दो कान के नीचे भी लगाते थे। कभी बन जाते नीम की तरह तो कभी संग ठहाके लगाते थे और अगर अटेंडेंस शॉर्ट हुई तो प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस के चक्कर कटाते थे। आए थे इस संसार रूपी बाग में एक पौधे की तरह, आए थे हम इस संसार रूपी बाग में एक पौधे की तरह। प्यार स्नेह और ज्ञान से हमें सींचा गया। आज यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं, उपकार है उनके कहीं ज़्यादा। समझ नहीं आता कैसे करूँ शिक्षकों आपका शुक्रिया अदा। करने बैठो यदि वर्णन आपका, लग जाएंगे 7 जन्म और कलम को मेरे गवारा नहीं कि शब्दों से करूँ मैं आपका वर्णन। बस दुआ है मेरी रब से कि खुशियों से भरा हो आपका जीवन। हमको नया जीवन देने वालों आप सभी को मेरा शत शत नमन। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all present here. My name is Chirag and I am from class 10th A. Today on this beautiful occasion, I like to share my feelings with you. Teachers' Day is an important day for everyone. It celebrates the transformative role of a teacher which they play in a student's life. In other words, teachers spend all their years in educating us and helping us become better human beings. However, generally people forgot their teachers once they pass out of their school. Thus, it is very important to have a day that is dedicated solely to them and their contributions. It is rather essential to show gratitude to these great human beings who shape us in innumerable ways. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on the 5th of September every year. A lot of activities take place in order to appreciate the teachers and their offerings. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
The nice line said that teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, hearts to love. Now, to tell something more special on this occasion, my friend will give speech on Teachers' Day.
आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम आकाश है, मैं कक्षा 11वीं का छात्र हूँ। आज इस शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर मैं आप सबके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना जा रहा हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है गुरु की परिभाषा। हर प्रकार से नादान थे हम, गीली मिट्टी के समान थे हम। आकार देकर हमें घड़ा बना दिया, अपने पैरों पर हमें खड़ा बना दिया। हारे हुए इंसान के भीतर ना टूटने वाली उम्मीद जगा देता है, वो एक गुरु ही होता है जो इंसान को महान बना देता है। नहीं है कोई शब्द, कैसे करूं मैं धन्यवाद, बस चाहिए हर पल मुझे गुरुजनों का आशीर्वाद। हूँ जो आज मैं उसमें है बड़ा योगदान उन गुरुओं का जिन्होंने दिया है मुझे ये भरपूर ज्ञान। आओ मिलकर इस शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर सब गुरुओं का सत्कार करें। शतायु हों ये ज्ञान के सागर सारे, अपने अनेक गुरुओं को प्रणाम बारंबार करें। जिसकी सफलता का पैमाना मेरा सफल हो जाना है, वही गुरु के वात्सल्य की सदृढ़ सशक्त परिभाषा है। हे गुरुवर, यदि कभी मैंने आपका अनादर किया हो तो क्षमा मांगता हूँ। आपके निर्मल निस्वार्थ स्वरूप को मानवता की परिभाषा जानता हूँ। अपना आशीष सदैव मेरे साथ रखना। भटक चुका हूँ इस चक्रव्यूह में, मैं आपको अपने रथ का सारथी मानता हूँ। गुरु वही जो जीना सिखा दे, खुद से खुद की पहचान करा दे। मुश्किलों से लड़कर आगे बढ़े हमको वो इतना सक्षम बना दे। तराश दे हीरे की तरह हमको, दुनिया की राहों पर चलना सिखा दे। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम वंश है। मैं कक्षा 10वीं बा का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं शिक्षा दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बातें बताना चाहता हूँ। भारत में शिक्षा दिवस वर्ष 1962 से मनाया जाता है। भारत के पूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का देश के शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। उनका जन्म 5 सितंबर को हुआ था। उनके उपराष्ट्रपति बनने के बाद कुछ मित्रों ने उनका जन्मदिन मनाने की बात कही। यह सुनकर डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन ने कहा, मेरा जन्मदिन मनाने की जगह अगर इस दिन शिक्षा दिवस मनाया जाए तो मुझे गर्व होगा। तब से हर वर्ष इस दिन शिक्षा दिवस के रूप में यह दिन मनाया जाता है। इस दिन हम उन्हें याद करने के साथ साथ सभी शिक्षकों का सम्मान करते हैं और धन्यवाद करते हैं। शिक्षक दिवस पर स्कूल कॉलेज में नृत्य, संगीत, भाषण आदि कई तरह के मनोरंजक कार्यक्रम भी किए जाते हैं। इस दिन स्कूल के 12वीं कक्षा के छात्र छात्राएं शिक्षक बनकर बच्चों का ध्यान रखते हैं। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम अनुराग है। मैं कक्षा 6ठी बा का छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपको शिक्षक दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। सत्य न्याय के पथ पर चलना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं। जीवन संघर्षों से लड़ना शिक्षक हमें सिखाते हैं। जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करो। शीश झुकाकर श्रद्धा से तुम बच्चों उन्हें प्रणाम करो। धन्यवाद।
We dance for laughters, we dance for tears. We dance for madness, we dance for fears. We dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create their dreams. Here comes a sparkling dance performance by Tanvi and Tamanna, which is actually a freestyle performance. So let's appreciate them with all our blessings.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी। है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी मेरी
Good morning and happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Today, whatever I am is all because of my teachers. They have been guiding me, supporting me and motivating me throughout my life, and I would like to thank them on this special occasion. And once again, happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers.
Warm regards to everyone and a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. I'd like to thank all of you for being a part of my journey throughout school and to guide me this well. I wish that you always remain healthy and inspires thousands and hundreds of students like me. On this occasion, I'd like to devote a poem to all of you that I wrote on my own. The title of this poem is 100 Names. The title signifies that no matter how many words I have, I still won't be able to thank you enough, and I still won't be able to describe you well. So here it goes. My staggered footsteps had your armor, the fumbled speech, your caring voice. You were the rigid support for this vine creeper, nurtured me with your endearing poise. You were the pole star of my space, to steer my ship of life to a path right. You welcomed me to my destined place like a lighthouse does in the dead of night. Amid the snowfalls, cold and silence that flew, you were my warm, dense mango trees. Your safe haven felt like an igloo that protected from icy blizzards and breeze. You were the stars in my new moon and the Celine of my full moon nights. You are the never-setting sun of boon that prevented the twilight with full might. You are the flowers of affection, blessing me with nectar of wisdom. Like God's having unique perfection, my heart and soul is your kingdom. In the desert of hatred, heat and hollow, you are the oasis of hope unbound. The relief in your cool mellow spreads greenery of life around. Nothing can define you completely. Current wonders if you are a divine creature. But to paint you in words honestly, it's precise enough to hail you as my teacher. Thank you. I hope you liked the poem. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you.
First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the respected teachers. Myself Sarthak Chuk and I have passed out class 12 from AES Prasad Nagar in 2019. I am very grateful that I have got this opportunity to share my thoughts with all of you on this occasion of Teachers' Day. Genuinely speaking, it is a very poor habit of us human beings that we don't value somebody till the time we lose them. And today I am going to try to make you understand the value of teachers. Believe me, it is only teachers who are always ready to share all their knowledge with you with both the hands. I don't want you to regret later, that's why I request you today. Value your teachers. Respect them. Do not misbehave with them. They do a lot of hard work for you. That too, selflessly. They don't want anything in return. In this world where people are unhappy due to others being happy, teachers find their happiness in your success. And you are lucky enough to have such great teachers. Whenever I talk to someone about my school teachers, I proudly say that I had the best teachers. Teachers who taught me, teachers who supported me, teachers who guided and corrected me, teachers who gave me a lot of opportunities, and also teachers who are very knowledgeable and hardworking. At last, I just want to say that make hay while the sun shines. World outside is very cruel. Once you get outside the school, there is complete darkness. You are very blessed under the wings of your teachers. Respect them, value them, learn from them, and they will be more than happy. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the respected teachers. Thank you.
Last but not the least, to thank those teachers who did a lot for us, we have made a video expressing our love towards them. So please take a look at that.
टीचर्स कितना मारते हैं,
पर अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स छोड़कर हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सलूशन निकालते हैं।
टीचर्स कितना चिल्लाते हैं,
पर क्या कभी सोचा कि कितनी बार हम उनका सर दुखाते हैं। टीचर्स
कितना होमवर्क देते हैं,
लेकिन क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स का हो या सिर्फ 1, बच्चे का डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए अपनी जी जान लगा देते हैं।
टीचर्स पार्शियलिटी करते हैं।
पर क्या तुम्हें पता है कि ऑफ ड्यूटी भी एक बच्चे के बारे में कितना सोचते हैं।
टीचर्स स्कूल टाइम तक तो बहुत बोरिंग होते हैं,
और स्कूल के बाद तुम्हारी यादों में होते हैं।
और जब तुम उनसे मिलने जाओ ना,
तो तुम्हारी तरक्की पर तुम्हारे दोस्तों से ज्यादा वो खुश होते हैं।
आज हम उन टीचर्स को कुछ कहना चाहते हैं,
जिन्होंने हमें अल्फाबेट से लेकर लाइफ की असली वैल्यू बताई।
थैंक यू आपके हमारे लिए उन एफर्ट्स के लिए, एंड
सॉरी हमारी
शैतानियों के लिए।
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही।
This is not goodbye. I swear that I'm gonna change. No, baby, please don't cry. Whoa, it doesn't have to end this way. 'Cause when I think of all the nights I'll be alone, I get terrified. Please don't say goodbye. Teacher, if you leave me now, if you give it up and just walk right out, you will take the biggest part